Before we talk about actual objects we can use as defensive weapons, we must train ourselves to increase our level of what the military and law enforcement sometimes call situational awareness. This simply means look and see in an active, engaged way. Now, obviously, different situations require different levels of awareness. Entering a poorly lit car park at night or a hallway requires a different level of awareness than, say, sitting at home in an easy chair reading. Awareness is not about being fearful or paranoid, it's about being in your environment, not only physically, but also mentally. We all look, but do we really see what is happening around us? Here are a few things you can practice every day to increase your ability to observe, become more aware, and avoid possible threats. It is important that you make this training habitual and a part of your daily routine. Don't walk or act like a victim. Walk confidently, head up, looking the world in the eye in a non-threatening or confrontational way. Remember, predators prey on those they see as the weakest members of society. Always trust your instincts. If a person or situation does not look or feel right, usually you will be correct. Immediately move away from that person or situation. Don't round corners blindly. Take a few paces or steps out from the wall or building before you turn the corner. You'll be in a better position to see a possible threat. This will also allow you more time to react. Train yourself to be more aware of people around you. For example, start with a simple observation drill. Next time you're at the mall, identify to yourself how many people are wearing baseball caps or how many people have long hair as opposed to short hair. Sounds simple, but by doing this, you'll be amazed at how quickly you will increase your general level of awareness. Learn to deal effectively with distractions. For example, the next time someone comes up to you in the street and asks for the time or directions, assist them if you can. However, learn to divide your attention, keep the appropriate distance, and also be very aware of their actions and the actions of anyone else in the immediate vicinity. Remember, generally, most people do not act in a threatening manner. They try to behave in a socially acceptable way. For example, someone staring intently at us or walking very close to us for no apparent reason may make us feel very uncomfortable or in some cases threatened. Now, as I said before, learn to trust and listen to your instincts. Be alert to what is happening around you. Practice daily what I have said until it becomes second nature, and you will have taken those first steps to being in control of your personal safety.
What are you doing in my car?